Hello, Stock Buddies, and welcome to your Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Monday, January 15th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, despite the market's closure today in observance of Dr. Martin Luther King Day, investors are anticipating an action-packed week, and certainly earnings are at the top of the list. U.S. stocks may rally this week if the early stages of the earnings season yield positive results, and U.S. data shows price pressures are moderating enough to keep interest rates steady. Tech bellwether Intel Corporation, financial powerhouse Citigroup Incorporated, and last week's headline grabble Apple Incorporated all report this week and should offer insight into how the corporate sector fared in the final stages of 2006 when economic growth was slowing. U.S. stocks rose for a third day on Friday, ending the week up as energy shares rebounded, with oil prices and data showing surprisingly robust December retail sales underscored optimism about economic growth. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 41.10 points, or 0.33%, to end at 12,556. Standard & Poor's 500 index was up 6.91 points, or 0.49%, at 1,430, and the Nasdaq Composite Index was up 17.97 points, or 0.72%, at 2,502. In our small cap headline news today, some of the movers and shakers we'll be watching this week. China Health Holding Incorporated announced that it has executed an acquisition definitive agreement to acquire all of the assets of Xi'an Michin Pharmaceutical Company Limited based in the People's Republic of China. Under the agreement, China Health new pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities along with 43 China SFDA certified pharmaceutical drugs will be acquired. China Health also will acquire real estate property totaling about 16,000 square meters, and as consideration, China Health will issue 20 million common shares of its restricted common stock and pay approximately $1.5 million in cash to Xi'an Michin. And excuse me if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Centex Sensing Technologies Incorporated announced they are making an offer to purchase BenQ Siemens. Centex stated their interest is based on the strong technology of the previous Siemens R&D, as well as the market access in Europe, which produced more than 20 million high-end mobile phones in the past year to consumers. Centex is currently in discussions with several financial institutions for the strategic financing for the deal to succeed. Nighthawk Systems Incorporated announced that it has received a second order for its PT-1000 remote control boards from one of the largest U.S. wireless voice and data companies. Nighthawk announced in December that the customer was placing Nighthawk products at cell tower sites in northern New Jersey. This second order will enable Nighthawk devices to be deployed at cell sites throughout the state of New Jersey. The customer will use the PT-1000s to comply with rules recently adopted by the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection that restrict the use of diesel generators on days when the air quality in New Jersey is deemed to be at unhealthy or hazardous levels. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter, available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin.